A snapped timing belt can destroy an engine in less than 1 second, and most drivers never see it coming. This single rubber belt keeps the crankshaft and camshaft moving in perfect sync, and when it fails while the engine is running, pistons and valves can collide inside the cylinder head, turning a simple maintenance job into a $5,000 repair bill. The good news is that a timing belt almost never fails without warning. It leaves clues, and today those clues are laid out clearly so nobody has to learn this lesson the hard way. The first warning sign is a ticking noise coming from the front of the engine. As the belt wears, its teeth begin to crack and slip slightly on the camshaft sprockets, creating a rhythmic ticking that speeds up with engine RPM. Many drivers mistake this for a lifter tick or a loose accessory, but if the sound is coming specifically from the timing cover, it's often the belt itself starting to give way. The second sign is engine misfiring or rough idling that seems to appear out of nowhere. Because the timing belt controls exactly when the valves open and close in relation to the pistons, even a small amount of belt stretch throws off that timing. The result is a car that idles roughly, hesitates under acceleration, or occasionally misfires even though the spark plugs and fuel system are completely healthy. Third, difficulty starting the engine is a major red flag. If the belt has slipped even one tooth on the sprocket, the engine's computer may struggle to properly time ignition and fuel injection, leading to long cranking times before the engine finally catches. In more advanced cases, the car won't start at all because the belt has already snapped. Fourth, visible oil leaking near the timing cover deserves immediate attention. Timing belts sit close to the front main seal and often near the water pump. A failing seal or gasket in this area doesn't just create a mess. Oil dripping onto the belt accelerates rubber deterioration dramatically, turning a belt rated for 90,000 miles into one that could fail at 60,000. Fifth, a visibly cracked or glazed belt is the most obvious sign of all, but only for those who inspect it. Over time, the rubber compound hardens and develops a shiny glazed surface with fine cracks across the ribs. Any technician doing a visual inspection during an oil change can usually spot this in under a minute, which is exactly why regular inspections matter even when nothing seems wrong. Sixth, engine vibration at idle that wasn't there before can point to a belt that has stretched unevenly, throwing off the balance between the crankshaft and camshaft rotation. This is often subtle at first, felt more than heard, but it tends to worsen quickly once it starts. Finally, and most importantly, mileage itself is a warning sign. Most manufacturers recommend timing belt replacement somewhere between 60,000 and 105,000 miles, but many drivers never check their owner's manual and assume the belt lasts as long as the engine. Waiting for a symptom to appear before replacing an aging belt is a gamble, because on interference engines, the first symptom of a snapped belt is often a completely destroyed engine. The smartest move is simple. Anyone driving a car with an interference engine and an unknown timing belt history should treat replacement as preventative, not reactive. A $200 to $600 service is nothing compared to an engine rebuild, and knowing these 7 signs early can be the difference between a routine repair and a total loss.
Thank you for watching. For more videos on car care, subscribe to our channel. Do you have any useful information to share? Use the comments section below.